Yes, today we'll be speaking about pneumonia. And as you know, we have a whole heap of different kind, or a lot of different kinds of pneumonia. Some of them called viral pneumonia, or bacterial pneumonia, mycoplasma pneumonia, fungal pneumonia, lobar pneumonia. So that is just a few. Them have so what them called interstitial pneumonia, which is inflammation of the tissue between the ear sac. Now, through the ages, people been getting pneumonia, and they've been trying to fight it out all along. But you know, the normal population don't really fully understand what's going on. You know, when you look on the viral pneumonia, what them call it a virus like flu, you know, will damage your lungs pipe. Whole heap of pus. When we say pus, we mean yellow looking pneumonia. They would say that one is not so bad, and they would tell you that one is caused from overgrowth of bacteria. Now, bacteria is not a nice thing, but yet we have millions, maybe billions of people walking with this type of respiratory tract infection. Mycoplasma, you know, them call it the walking pneumonia. So these are different biological words that we use to describe these type of sicknesses. You know, this type of pneumonia is more milder, and children and adults also can catch it. Fungi pneumonia causing what them call now from the soil. And so sometimes like people have animals in them yard. Yes, the animals that want to love something cause these issues. Your dogs and your cats and your birds. Sometimes when them droppings dropping on the earth, and sometimes you remember, you know, whole heap of things happen. But whatever the case may be, you have to know that this disease or virus or fungi, whatever name them give it, you have to always be in an aware state of mind to avoid the trivial state of it, because it is very devastating. And when you can't breathe or what we call catch your breath, it means your life will move. God, that's the breath of life. Your lungs pipe was created for oxygen purpose. Move oxygen around inside your entire human constitution. But not knowing the cause, because most people don't know the cause at first, that is why people live the way all them live. And when you decide to live the way you live without knowing, then you reap danger. And you hear the different type of names of these pneumonia and the cause. When it becomes so viral, it is damaging, because sometimes they will tell you it is like virus plus flu. And sometimes when you catch this fever and you fight to catch your breath, it creates havoc inside of your system. Now, oxygen is supposed to travel like what they call hemoglobin from your lungs, sometimes to your mitochondria, I just say circling the entire body. But whenever time you have this thick clogged liquid, what we call pus, or mucus, what we call cold, sometimes it damages the lung spot. And when it damages it, you can have a whole heap of different issues, like you have breaking inside of your cell structure. And if you look for one of the cells, them are 2 or 100 or 300, you see them get dark, really dark, you know, where they might lose oxygen bonding. And once them start to lose these type of oxygen, what start to happen? It bore holes where you call pooch inside of your lungs pipe, similar to when you have irritable bowel syndrome in your digestive system, and then waste leak out and sometimes end up in your circulatory system. There's a similar action inside of your lungs, which you don't want to really make happen. So take heed, my people. Take heed and try to fix this problem, or we would say eat much better food to avoid viral pneumonia and bacterial pneumonia. And you see this overgrowth of bacteria in your lungs pipe. It's not healthy. And we want to make the baby mothers them know, say we have to make sure you clean these areas thoroughly before you have any form of baby. You don't want to have these type of sickness and get impregnated, and then the child born with these type of issue. We want to avoid what we call the generational curse. The lumbar pneumonia, which is the inflammation of the lobes of the lungs. And then you have the branchial pneumonia, which is the clogging of the airways. You don't want these type of things to take up your body. So the ear sac them have to keep clean, and the whole entire respiratory system have to keep clean, because it is a form of ascension carrying oxygen to your brain. And when you end up with these type of ailments, you breach. So we'll come in another video now to explain some of the foods them that cause these issues, and also you have to know how to avoid them, because if you don't know to avoid them, you will also re-sick yourself. Alright, so bless upon yourself and to the forward.